Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save Canva to PDF. Once you are done editing your designs, then we have to export it as PDF, and in order to do it, we have to select share from top right hand corner. After that, select download, and from these options we need to choose file type first. So we have two types of PDF format, PDF standard and PDF print. It really depends on what kind of designs you are creating. If you have created a design just with a text, then PDF standard is the best choice. But if your design has multiple graphics and text layers, then you can select PDF print. After selecting the file type, we can adjust additional options, such as if you want to flatten PDF for better quality, you can also include nodes, match reading order to layers. So just select all these options according to your choice. You can also select pages. After that, we need to hit download, and the PDF design will be downloaded in your computer. We have to wait for it. Once the design is downloaded, you can open it in your computer and see the preview. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.